Your CRM probably has leads in it right now that have been sitting untouched for weeks. Hi, I'm Andrea, and I help franchise consultants build better lead nurturing and follow-up systems. This is something we see all the time. A lead comes in, you send an email, maybe you make a call. They do not respond right away, so your attention moves to the next lead. And on the surface, that feels reasonable. But here's the problem. Most franchise prospects do not make a decision in a few days. Many of them take 90 to 180 days, sometimes longer, to feel ready. So when a lead goes quiet in week 1, that does not always mean they are not interested. It often just means they are still thinking, still researching, still trying to figure out what this decision could mean for their life, time, income, and family. And while they are doing that, the real question becomes this: are they staying connected to you while they think, or are they slowly forgetting you? That is where many good leads get lost. Not because the consultant was bad, not because the lead was never serious, but because the follow-up stopped before trust had enough time to build. A full pipeline does not always mean a healthy pipeline. Sometimes it just means there are good people sitting in your CRM with no one actively guiding the conversation forward. Your leads may not be dying because of lack of interest. They may be dying because the nurture stopped too soon. If you want help building a better follow-up system for your leads, I added the booking link in the comments.